A fire, oh no. Guys, there is a fire. We should call 911.
What's your emergency?
There is a fire.
Okay, on my way!
I hear a fire truck siren.
Let's take the fire out before everyone burns. I got the water hose.
Are you okay?
Yes.
Let me check you. Are you sure there is nothing?
Yes, I am sure.
Okay, bye.
Time to watch the news.
Breaking news. Last chance to collect Blasoom on Starhenge. Many people got it now sold. Collected before April ends. A fire got hit recently 8 hours ago, and this counts. 0 people got injured. The news reported at his house. If you search for his house, please stay safe. That's all the news for today.
Hey there, did you heard the news? There is a fire recently in our house.
A fire that it got recently?
So nobody knows what a fire is.
A fire that is in the news.
A fire in our house?
Let me explain it to you. Fire is a rapid chemical process, called combustion, where a fuel reacts with an oxidizer, usually oxygen, producing heat and light. It's a visible manifestation of this reaction, often appearing as flames. Fire requires 3 things: a fuel, an oxidizer, like oxygen, and heat to initiate and sustain the reaction. So that's what a fire is, right?
Yes.